Say your prayers. Yay. Say your prayers. Do it again. You say your prayers. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. Up. There you go. Get her head down. Oh, that's what she said. You like that game, Red? Look at her. Prayers.
What's going on there?
Still taping? Is it still taping? Make sure you get everybody.
I did.
Say your prayers. Try again. Ready? Good girl. Yeah, you're gonna lean on that chair forever. I like this game because I'm never getting off the dressing stool. Ready? Say your prayers. Yay!
I love it. Little stool, regular chair, high.
Yeah, well, you know, if we lined up, we'd almost be like one of those Verizon.
AT&T.
AT&T with the bars. Ready? Let's try it again. Come on. Come here. Say our prayers. Yay!
Do you hit that button again to stop?
I think so.